Imagine living in a world where most people farmed their own food or made clothes by hand at home. This was how life was for many people before the Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution started in the late 1700s, first in Great Britain, and then spread to other countries like the United States, France, and Germany. It was a time when people figured out how to make things with machines instead of just by hand. One of the first big changes was the invention of machines that could spin and weave cloth much faster than people. Factories were built to hold these machines. People began leaving their farms and moving to cities to work in factories. Cities grew very quickly and became crowded and busy. Steam engines were another huge invention. Before the steam engine, people and animals did most of the work. Steam engines could power trains and boats, making it possible to travel much faster and move goods over long distances. This made countries richer and made it easier for people to get things from far away. Many factories also made iron and steel, which were needed to build bridges, railroads, and tall buildings. The Industrial Revolution led to new inventions and discoveries, like the telephone, the telegraph, and electric lights. Life in cities changed a lot during this time. Some people became wealthy business owners. Many people worked long hours in factories and lived in small apartments. Child labor was common, and workers didn't always have safe or healthy working conditions. At the same time, the Industrial Revolution helped create many new jobs. It allowed people to buy more things, travel, and communicate in new ways. It also made some countries more powerful. Not everyone agreed with these changes. Some people worried about pollution and the loss of nature. New laws were later made to help protect workers and make cities cleaner. The Industrial Revolution changed the world forever. It shifted the way people lived, worked, and connected with each other. Many things we use today, like trains, phones, and even the internet, grew out of the inventions and ideas from that time.